everyone, today I will show you how to install Laravel 10 on Laragon. So this is the software requirement for our Laravel project. First is Laragon, second is Composer, and third is Visual Studio Code for editor, and Git for Windows and Node.js. So I will tell you step by step how to install all this software. Okay, now let's start. First, we open browser. First, we go to search for Laragon. Okay, and then we can search like this. Okay, this URL, and then we can download portable full. For me, I download this version. Okay, I tell you step by step. Okay, first I download this software. Okay, I'm keeping and stuff like that for Laravel. So like this. Okay, first we download the web. Second we download Composer. Okay. Yes. Okay. You can follow my video. Okay. So, and then third Visual Studio Code. Okay, we can download. Okay, Visual Studio Code like this. Okay, so my internet is quick, so we can download quickly. Okay, and then download Git for Windows like this. Okay, we can download 64-bit because my PC is 64-bit. Okay, and last step is download. Okay, Node.js. Okay, I'm using 64-bit Windows. I click on this. Okay, now all software I'm download is complete. You can see it's in this. It has 5 software. First, we install the Laragon. So, you can click on it. Okay. Yes, I can install it on C drive. Okay. Okay, so it's some more. But for done with long video, I am pause the video and continue when the software install is complete. Okay, now the Laragon install is complete. You can wait. After that, we install the Composer. I know I will start computer later, and then we install Composer. Okay, install for our user. Next, this way we can browse to my C drive and Laragon and bin and PEP. We need to choose the PEP version like this. For Laravel 10 we need PEP 8.1, and we can click this, add this PEP to part. Okay, install Composer. Okay, install. Okay, so that I have installed Git Visual Studio Code. Search step by step. Yes. Okay, like this I have installed, follow by the step. Composer, Laragon with like this, pp artisan serve like this. Okay, so like this for running the Laravel project we can type like this also, localhost colon 8000 like this. But for Laravel it is easy, it will create the version hub for you. So it's easy to use. Like you can start the service for PP artisan serve. Okay, you can use the which one service. Can use like this or can do like this. But if I'm stopping this, yes, like this one is not work. But